Hi everyone, welcome to the newsletter for this month. Today I'm going to talk about a topic called passion. Now, have you ever wondered why when we need money we just cannot have enough? Or have you ever seen people who are working so hard but money just did not come to them? Now, one of the most important reasons is that we do not have enough passion. Now, have you ever wondered why? Have you asked yourself this question? Do you like your current job? Or do you love your job? Or ask yourself, do you love what you are doing now? Now, if your answer is no, meaning to say that that is not enough passion, or there's no more passion in what you are doing now. And maybe you disagree with me. You will say, oh no, I like my job, but it's just that sometimes I cannot feel enough passion to do my job. I'm not happy about what I do. Or I start a business with full passion, and I feel that after years I cannot feel enough passion to do my business anymore. And you're thinking of just closing your business or just change job, right? Now in DCI system, we have these things that everything we do will end when there is a start, meaning that a tree will kill a seed, meaning to say that when we plant the seed, it will ripen and grow into a huge tree. That's why it says that the tree kills a seed. Now, how do we actually to plant seed for our passion? Now, if you know how to use this DCI life tool, you can actually replant or plant the seed for passion. And also, you can actually so-called remove seeds that you have planted before that cause you to have no passion. Now, you can actually use a DCI life tool. We call it for power, meaning to say step one. Okay, we call it in DCI. We remember the pain. I have done something. I have rejected someone to help someone. Okay, I have rejected to help someone. And then number two is that maybe you can do an intelligent regret. Number three, we can commit a time frame to stop what, to stop what you are doing, And then number four, you can actually do a balance sheet. You can think of the next 24 hours, I want to help someone in my office. It's very simple for power. And also, how do you actually use the DCI system to plant the seed in your daily life? It's just an example of like just smiling to your colleagues, try to help them when they come to you, and try not to reject, and try not to comment or say something negative to someone who wants to have something that seems to you maybe impossible, but you just try to listen. It's one of the ways to plant the seeds. Okay, now I just want to share with you, if you want to work on a relationship, if you want your partner to be more passionate towards you, what can you do? You can smile to a stranger, or you can smile to a cashier who's working behind the shops. Try to smile to them. And then, now this is one of the ways that you can actually plant the seed in your daily life. And just want to let you know before we end, there is a DCI level 1, 2, 3 workshop coming up in 14 to 16 February 2020. Now it's level 1, 2, 3, and level 2 is talking about talents, passion, and a mission. Can you imagine you can find your passion and your talents, and with a great mission with what you are doing to help a lot of people, and money will just come to you very naturally. Of course, you still have to plant the money seed. Now, I hope that you will pursue your dream with just plant the seeds. I just want to wish you good luck finding a passion, plant a passion, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.